is today the day? It is Thursday. It is a weekday. It's 12:47. What's the other criteria? I think we're gonna get La Fonda today, the buffet.
Are you ready to go get your, what's the point, La Fonda
Buffet?
buffet?
Yeah, I just did a clip saying that. Today it meets all the...
But get it off!
What is it?
I don't know!
Hey, it flew out the window. Did you see me out the door? Did you see that?
Oh, sorry. I hate
Did you see
bugs.
that?
I hate bugs.
I flicked it right out the door and it flew out. Where are we?
Don't judge.
We're at La Fonda. La Fonda buffet. Yum.
They have a lot of ribs and Polish sausage and different things today.
I forgot they do something new every day.
That's right. What did we decide our favorite day was?
I don't remember. We're gonna have to come every day for a week, so we'll know. She never came to get a drink order, so I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Woohoo! Looky here. That's what I go for. Chilerianos with queso. They got ribs, sausage, onion rings. Looks like fried zucchini. Yum. And look at the salad bar. I keep telling myself I'm gonna come and just get the salad bar because I love salad bars like this. But I can't pass up Mexican food. Yeah, talk about don't judge me. The center is salad. So, does that count?
It does.
And I wanted to try the rib, one onion ring, one fried zucchini. Can you see that? Taco and chileriano. Look at the Frugal find. 77 cents a pound. I can get that whole package for $2.19. I think I will. Another Frugal find, $10.99 for coffee. Save $7.70. It's 30 cents an ounce here, and Walmart is 40-something cents an ounce. So we're getting 3. Okay, we're at the thrift store. Let's go see if we can find any goodies. You ready?
I'm going.
You're gonna go.
I'm so excited! I can't breathe. I'm gonna get me some jeans, and I cut them off at the knees and roll them up. And I got me a pair last time for $2.50, and they're my favorite pair of shorts.
Yay! $2.50. Let's go find some of those. Oh my gosh, this used to be my dishes a long time ago. I had every bit of this. I had the clock in the kitchen, I had that in the kitchen, hung my keys on it, coffee mugs. The only thing I didn't have was this, a recipe box. Oh wow, that brings back memories.